YouTube just released Shorts monetization, and for the next 7 days I'm going to see how much I can make with a brand new monetized channel. I have just uploaded the first 3 videos. So it's been about 3 hours since the first bunch of shorts went up and we are already seeing big results. Well, I wouldn't say too big, but we have 2,300 real time and 1,300 last 60 minutes. I want to be seeing 1 million on here by the end of the challenge. I'm going to be uploading 3 shorts a day for the entire week to see if you can make a living off uploading shorts. The type of shorts that I'll be uploading is short clips of animals with an added voiceover and editing that tells a story. I think going with these types of videos gives us the best chance of going viral, as I'm sure you've watched a video of a cute dog before in your life. So it's day 2, the shorts from yesterday getting no views anymore, and the 3 shorts that I just uploaded have all flopped. So it's not looking good. I've just checked my real time and the shorts that I thought had flopped earlier have shot up in views. We have 10,000 on real time last 48 hours. Day 3 was quite like the previous couple days. I uploaded the shorts and they got a couple thousand views between them. But I really needed to get this big blow up video if I wanted to see any results with this challenge at all. So it's day 4 and things seem to be going pretty well so far. We have 14,000 views and 34 cents ad revenue. I think only 1 or 2 have flopped, the rest have actually picked up some traction, but they seem to be capping at about this 2,000 mark. And the shorts RPM, which is how much you get per 1,000 views, has came in, and it is 0.03 cents. So that means from 10,000 views I am getting 30 cents. Our newest short is really picking up in views. I can sense that a blow up video is coming. I'd say each short was taking me about 20 minutes total to make. The process was easy. I'd go on Twitter and find an animal clip that was getting lots of engagement. Make a quick voiceover, then add some subtitles and music in editing. You really don't need much time to do shorts. So it's day 5 and we've only got 2 days after today to make something of the challenge. All the shorts seem to be doing terrible. I thought that I would have had one that would have at least done decent by now, but we haven't got one that's got over 5k views. And with the short RPM so low, we might not even make $1 with this challenge. I need to think my strategy because we don't have long left for this challenge. So I thought things didn't go too well in day 5. Well, let me tell you, things went from bad to worse in day 6. So we literally have 0 views on the real time last 60 minutes now. I've made the decision to not upload a single short today to try and let the other shorts pick up some traction. I'm going to spend the whole day planning the last 3 shorts so we can try and blow up on the last day. I'm going to take what's worked so far and double down on it. So I'm going to focus on telling stories with the shorts and trying to use viral clips. The final 3 shorts are about to go right now. With only about 12 hours left to go viral with my channel, my only option was to sit and wait. I had uploaded all my videos and I just had to hope that one would blow up. The shorts have been up for a couple hours now and they all have 0 views. This hasn't happened at all throughout the challenge so far, so it's super weird for it to happen on the last day. If these don't pick up in the last few hours, then it'll be very bad for the challenge. We just have to hope. So it's time for the results. I'm going on YouTube Studio right now. So as you can see, throughout February when we were uploading, we got 23,811 total views. I wanted to do better with this, but this is what we got in 7 days. It's quite a short period of time, and with shorts you're only going to pick up traction, so as you upload more you're going to see better results. And now for the revenue. Our RPM for every 1,000 views we got on shorts was 0.03 cents. And this is pretty bad. The total amount of revenue we made in 7 days was 80 cents.